This is Mackenzie milking Puppet, the goat.
Let me do it.
No, James, you
Let me
can't
do
do
it.
it. You can't really see that very well. I wish there was some light.
Open it.
Yep.
Can you open it? You can open it.
Poppers.
Open it, Jacob. Open it.
No, James. Here, I'll open it for you. There you go.
Popper. Here you go, sweetheart.
How much milk have you got, Kenzie?
No, I just started.
Not that much.
What do you think? What is this?
Film Bob.
What do you think, Bob? You're so little. You're like a little dog. Oh, except you're nicer.
Oh, Jacob, I have to teach you how to milk. Oh, don't. Because you're going to milk her on Monday for me.
Sure I am. Why?
Why don't you go give it a whirl, Jake?
Fine. Kenzie, film it. I must do it.
Let me show you how to do it first. Okay. So you grab it about right here, and you like pinch it off. Like, don't do it too hard though, but pinch it off just so the milk can't get back up on there. Then you just go like this with your fingers. Here, I'll do it like this.
I see.
And this one, I don't know why, but it's always bigger than the other one.
Oh.
I think it's always got more milk.
Okay, I'm gonna do it, Kenzie.
Okay, yeah, do it while she has a lot.
I'm gonna do it. Kenzie, take the camera.
Keep going. Do it quick. I the milk will stop coming.
It's done.
Oh, that's really rude.
Don't pull on it though. That'll hurt us. Is it filming? Oh, oops. I was filming it up.
Film it.
Just chewing the rope that I'm holding him with.
We should have filmed him when I was bottle feeding him.
Oops, I missed.
Let me finish.
I wanna do it. I missed.
You want milk?
I'll show you what to do when she starts running out.
You
When
want
she starts running out, you have to wait a little bit for it to
milk?
fill up again.
Yeah, I was having to do that. 'Cause it had
No,
to-
but she still has a bunch left still. When she actually starts getting really
So
low.
it'll look like she's empty, and then you just wait a minute and you can start milking again.
We aren't really getting very much.
No, she's still got some left.
Hi,
But you gotta keep your foot away.
Puppet, it's okay. You big doofus.
Hey, Poppers. Hey. I'm sorry, but I just had to move your foot.
Hey, no, James. Don't touch. Just let it do its thing. You're fine and you're just... Gotta get some more grain. It's expectant. Want some grain.
You eat too fast, Poppet. Come here, Bob. Come on, Bob. Hey, Bob. Quit pulling. Come on, sweetheart. We will, Bob. I'll put him back in the
Come on, pick him up. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm picking him up. I'm picking you up. I picked him up. What do you think of this, Bob? I got you. Okay. This is the Bob can.
See, Jacob, now come and try it. You won't be able to get as much.
Well, I'm holding Bob here.
See how they're like
As you can
smaller? Just finish it for me.
see. It's okay, Bob. Don't eat it.
You just, once she starts running out, you just have to wait a little
Come on,
bit
Bob.
and they'll fill up.
I'm gonna put you back in. It's okay. Hey, poop on you. I'm gonna have to drop the camera to do this. Hey, you. Get back. I'll key you. Yep. Get out of here. Okay, Bob. There you go. Here, I gotta get this rope off you. There you go. Bye-bye, Bob. Here. Hey, Bob.